Take it. There you go. Try again.
African alternative, community.
Whoa.
He's like, I'd have
Up you get.
everyone's dates and like all this stuff, and I'm like, hey, whatever. And so I phoned
Up you
him,
get.
and I was like, he's like, just give me some
There. Oh, oh. Whoa.
I was like, well, she has to know by lunch.
Good. You take a few steps for Dad?
He comes to me in the last class, and he's like,
Excellent. Do you want to show him how you walk backwards?
Well, I told Kelly, I said, wait till he gets some peer pressure. He'll change his mind.
Do you want to show him walking
The
backwards?
first teacher I talked to, she was like, oh,
Here goes Brandon walking backwards. Oh, oh, almost. Up we get. And backwards. There you go.
So good. Good for you and good for them. Sorry for waking you up this morning.
You give Dad a nice smile?
Sleep my class 7:30 in the morning.
That's excellent.
Say bye, Dad.
I said, oh, boy.
I appreciate you checking because some mornings I would have been rushing.
There you go.
Ah!
Now you get to get my guy.
Yeah.